Hello, everyone. My name is Harris, and it is my demonstration about task 9.2D in the unit data and information management. In this task, I will design a simple user interface, or we call the form to populate a record in a table in task 7.2C I have completed. And it is that I use Optus for example of my service. And it's the table of content of my demonstration. First, it is my introduction, and next I will show some web server package and technologies tools I use for the task, and I show the state of database table before insert a record, an attempt to insert a record with missing data, and so what message is displayed to use to the user and what happens to the database table. And finally, I will attempt to insert a record with all required data. First of all, it is SAM, the web server I use in this task. SAM is a popular, free, and open source cross-platform web server solution, developed by Apache Brains. It is an easy to install and containing a lot of platforms such as MariaDB, PHP, Perl. Uh, and next, I use MySQL for the database management system. MySQL is an open source relational database management system that uses structural query language SQL for accessing and managing the records in the database. It is the world's most popular open source database and is supported by Oracle company. And SQL is used by many most applications very popular, such as Facebook, Twitter, Netflix. And then I use uh, HTML as a language programming. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is a standard markup language for creating web pages. It defines the content and structure of web content, and I use it to make a skeleton of my form to take the information of the users. And next, I use BSB. BSB is stand for Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a wide use open source general purposes scripting language, especially suited for web development. And this also embedded in HTML. BSB allows developers to create dynamic content and interact with the databases. And it is a sample of a service I use for this task. So I choose Optus. Optus is the Singtel Optus, what we call Singtel Optus. This is a Australian telecommunications company. Optus offers a wide range of services such as mobile phones, home internet, NBN, entertainment, and sport. And now I will demonstrate how I can do in this task. Firstly, I install some control panel and run MySQL and Apache. But when I do this task, I have some problem when the MySQL cannot connect with the port 3306, so I change it to port 306 and on it's in static state. Um, and then I will show the form that I taught by HTML to make a skeleton for the form that I use. And then this is the BSB code to add the information to the database. So I have a server name here, username, the password for this, and the database names. Especially I use the port here to because the port 3306 has some problem, so I change to 304 306. And then I open the admin pages create the Optus database. I use SQL language to create a table that I use that I have completed in the task 7.2c before. And this is the create table customer SQL code I use. And I have created this one. So now I will try to add the other one in this databases. First, I get access to the folder that contains these files here. Uh, and first, I will open the form to add the new customer. For example, let number 3 customer name is me. Address Hamo Street. Phone number, birthday, and for example, I didn't write out the email. They will show on fields are required. So I have to write out all information. So I will add the information my email and insert here new record created successfully. So when I check to my uh, admin pages, we see that I have successfully add the new customer here. Customer ID 3, customer name Harris, address, mobile phone number, birthday, and email. So I think I have successfully completed the task. Um, so thank you for um, watching my demonstration for the task and see you in the next task.